In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook. If your inbox is not updating, if new emails are not appearing, or if Outlook seems a little stuck, refreshing the page is a quick and simple way to get things working again. This is especially helpful when you're using Outlook in a web browser and you want to make sure you're seeing the latest messages and changes. To begin, go to the Mail section in Outlook. Once you're there, make sure your inbox or whichever mail folder you're using is open on the screen. This is the main area where your emails are displayed, and it's the right place to confirm whether new messages are loading properly. After you've opened Outlook Mail, look toward the top of the page for the Reload option. Click Reload this page at the top. This tells your browser to refresh the current Outlook page and load the newest version of what's available. In most cases, this will update your inbox, sync recent activity, and help clear temporary loading issues. When you refresh Outlook this way, the page may briefly reload and you might see the content update after a moment. That's normal. Give it a few seconds to finish loading completely before checking whether your latest emails or updates have appeared. A useful tip here is to avoid clicking multiple times in a row. One refresh is usually enough, and repeated clicks can sometimes slow things down if the page is already trying to reload. If Outlook is taking a little longer than expected, just let the process finish. This method is one of the easiest ways to manually update Outlook in your browser, and it's a good first step anytime the page seems outdated or unresponsive. It's fast, requires no settings changes, and can often solve minor sync or display issues right away. If you're following along on your own device, just remember the flow. Open Outlook Mail. Then click the Reload option at the top of the page. That's all you need to do to refresh Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly update your inbox and keep Outlook running smoothly.